I'm Yufe here. I just wanted to share a couple of things on how you can use art to really create an experience, like a memorable experience in your space. As an interior designer, art is a huge integral component in creating the atmosphere, creating the experience of the space. So I just wanted to share a couple of tips and use some examples to show you how you can use art to really create something, a unique experience in your home. So I'm here in Hollywood in a hotel, and they're using art here to really set the tone. Here it's very much, art deals very much on, this is definitely a more abstract, more modern art, and they're going for a more modern look. Art deals with the subconscious, so it brings out components. Like for me, for everybody, a piece of art like this can mean so many different things and create a feeling. So art is meant to create a feeling, trigger an emotion, and that what is actually, it anchors us to different places in our mind. For me, I feel more like this is a city. I'm trained in architecture, trained in city scale design also, in addition to interior design. So for me, I see a bigger city. I see transportation lines, I see grid lines. So that's what I'm trained to see. But everybody sees something different. So that's why abstract art is so interesting. And then you can actually use that and bring in the colors and match the colors in your space with accessories. So these are very neutral, warm tones. And there's another cool little wall of just photography that I just wanted to share. Really cool. It's like vintage style. So it's really more conceptual photography. This one's really cool. So you can see it's a photo montage, original black and white. There's definitely some tricks to creating this kind of artwork. Here's another black and white photograph. This one's really cool too. I really like this one. It's cards. It's black and white, and they're cards and they're stacked. And again, this is more like playful photography, something that's fun. This is the conceptual piece here. There's a wrench, an Allen wrench. I think the components to why an artist does this is to trigger an emotion, to create a response. Here, what does this trigger for you? It's a certain environment. They're very modernist. For me, it reminds me of some architects that I love in this genre. This is just a couple examples of how you can use photography or art, big, massive painting, to really set the tone, to really create an experience in your space and really enhance what you already have. And you can use accessories and different sculpture, different your furniture, different things that you can actually start matching the colors, creating the tone, creating an experience, creating something that you feel amazing and you feel inspired and something that is really uplifting. So these are just a couple of tips that you can use, how you can create and use art to create that experience in your space. And I love to hear your comments and your value, and love to hear what you thought. And I'll see you in the next video.